You got body roll, don't give a fuck by no. You like fuck my law, you might call my lord. Love gon' set me up, bitch don't set me up.
What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Flacco back here with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to fix error code. I forgot what number it is. It's probably, I'm gonna put it in the title, but I kept getting this error code. It's been like 2 days. I kept getting this error code. Everybody was like, I searched up YouTube videos. Everybody was saying to reset your router, reset your PS4, all of that. And I did all of that, and it still kept giving me the error code. So everybody told me to go to settings, go to network settings, and then go to setup connection. And then after you go to setup, just go to custom and type in manual settings. But all of that stuff didn't work for me. But I'm gonna show y'all what did work. So I came back here where all of my stuff is plugged in, right? This is the PS4 cord right here. This is my TV cord, right? This TV cord was plugged into right here. And the PS4 is plugged into here. And all I did was unplug both of them and switch them around and turn the PS4 back on, and it started working with no problem. As you can see, everything is working fine. Friends list, everything is loading fine, perfectly fine. I go to notifications. Notifications is perfect. You know what I'm saying? Everything just loads up. The main problem I was having with this was everything else in my room would work, or everything else in the house would work except for my PS4. And that's the method that worked for me. And if it worked for y'all, make sure y'all leave a like on the video, comment, subscribe, and I'm out, bro.